Hi, it's Charlotte, your local pet sitter and dog walker, here with some more helpful hints. Today, let's talk about, is it okay if your dog snores? Studies show that it is okay if your dog snores. Just like humans, some dogs do snore, especially the flat-faced breeds. But if your dog has not been snoring all along and then suddenly snores, that might be some concern, and you can bring your dog to the vet to get things checked out. If your dog never snored before and starts snoring, it could be due to obesity. Maybe they've gained a little too much weight. It could be due to allergies. Maybe something seasonal is bothering them. Okay, so you want to get that checked out if that's something new. But if your dog has always been snoring, just like us, it could just be because of their airwaves. Some of us don't always have those open nasal passages, okay? So usually it's nothing to worry about, but when in doubt, always talk to your vet. Okay, take care of your fur baby, and we'll talk soon.